Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on numerical methods, that is from GATE Mechanical 2014. So it says the real root of this equation up to 2 decimal places. That is, after this decimal up to 2 bits we should get the same values after the iterations or the previous iteration on the new iteration. So you can clearly see this is a non-linear equation, and the best suiting will be Newton-Raphson for this method, since it is not mentioned to use any such methods. So we will prefer Newton-Raphson's, that says xn plus 1 will be xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. So this f of x is 5x minus 2 cos x minus 1. F dash of x becomes 5 plus 2 sin x. So what if we take the initial value to be, let's say, 0. For 0 this is going to be 0 minus, so 5 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into cos 0, so cos 0 is 1, minus 1 divided by f dash, so that is 5 by 2 sin x. So this simply becomes 5, sin x becomes 0 at x equal to 0. So this is 0.60, which is our first value, x1. Since we have already taken x naught equal to be 0, of course we can start with any guess value. Secondly, so of course we can see that x0 and x1 don't have this first digit or first two decimal places to be same. So x2 will become x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1, correct? So x1 is 0.6, f of x1 will be 5 into 0.6 minus 2 cos 0.6 minus 1, and f dash of x1 is 5 plus 2 sin 0.6. Make sure that you are applying radian values, not degree value. So applying all this, equating this, and then x1 equal to 0.6, we are going to get x2 is equal to 0.543. So compared to the previous iteration value, that is x1 equal to 0.6, of course these two bits are different. This is 0.60 whereas this is 0.54, so we will have to again go for next iteration. So this is x2 minus f of x2 by f dash of x2. So x2 is equal to 0.543, f of x2 becomes 5 into 0.543 minus 2 cos 0.543 minus 1, and f dash of x2 will be 5 plus 2 sin 0.543. Putting all this value, this is going to be 0.542. This is x3. So we can see this is 0.543, this is 0.542. So obviously we can see up to 2 decimal places we are having x is equal to 0.54, right? Up to 2 decimal places 0.54 is common, and then 2 and 3 are different. So up to 2 decimal places this is going to be the solution.